Hey guys, so to continue in our forestry section, we're going to continue and learn about some different systems in the forestry industry. Alright, to start out, what is silviculture? So remember to take your notes and you will take a picture of your notes and upload them. So what is silviculture? Okay, so silviculture is the art and science of managing and regenerating forests to control their composition, structure, and growth. Okay, so basically silviculture is managing and regenerating the forest, okay, because we want to control. That is their key here. We want to control their composition, their structure, and their growth. Alright, so this is a term we need to kind of understand before we even get into talking about the different types. Okay, so a stand. A stand is a group of trees that are similar in age, species, size, and condition. So a stand is like, okay, for example, a classroom or a grade level. So a grade level is a group of children that are similar in age, okay? So a stand is a group of trees that are similar in age. Alright, so some of our forestry management systems, and this is what you need to label this section is forestry managed systems. So you have a clear cutting. So clear cutting is going to remove all the trees in a stand. So you're clear cutting. So you can see at the bottom right here, you're going to clear cut. So what is harvested? All the trees. Okay. And then why? To protect the health of trees by getting rid of disease and infested areas. Okay. So clear cutting, you are going to remove all the trees. Why? To protect the health of the trees by getting rid of diseased and infested area. So maybe you have a section of your forest that is infested with a disease that is causing your trees to die. You're going to go ahead and just clear cut that section so that way you don't have to worry about it anymore. So a seed tree system is this system removes the majority of the mature trees, but it's going to leave behind a few good seed producing trees. The reason being for that is because those good seed producing trees are going to regenerate your forest. What is harvested? The majority of mature trees. Okay, and then why? The majority of the trees are cut down for us to use. So why do we do this? Maybe we need some lumber, so that's what we're using these trees for. We're going to cut them down. So then shelter wood system. Certain trees are removed to establish a new seedling growth under the protection of the trees that are left. So shelter wood, think of it as they're sheltering. So they're sheltering the new growth. There's trees that are left behind to shelter the new growth. So then what is harvested? So with group selection system, in this system is small groups of mature trees are harvested and intermediate trees are thinned frequently. So what is harvest? The small groups of trees in a stand. Why? The system is adventurous to the wildlife that has adapted to the older forest habit. So the reason you're going to do group selection is maybe there's a couple trees in there that need to be kind of weeded out. So you're going to weed them out. Single tree selection system is this system, and each tree is looked at in the areas of selectively harvested as they mature. So you're going to single out each tree. So what is harvested? Single trees in the stand. Why? This system is used to remove dead and diseased trees to protect the health of the forest.